Well, welcome. I'm Nancy Keating. Glad to have you here in my studio for the Mixed Media Tempered Glass Mosaic Workshop. This is probably the 6th time I've taught this workshop, but it's the first time I'm having it filmed. So bear with me if I'm a little bit nervous. Why do we call this a workshop and not a class? Well, what I teach are workshops because I like the way we all work together. I'm not just teaching a class. I've taught this class. I've been working in mosaics for 20 plus years, and every time I do a workshop, I learn something new from all of my students. I like the way we share in our creativity. We learn from each other, we help each other, so I really don't call this a class. The energy level that we all have is fabulous, so I'm glad you're here in my studio. Thank you for joining us. What will we be learning today? Well, first of all, we're going to be creating a two-dimensional, glimmering, tempered glass mosaic art. And this, I love working with this tempered glass right here, this beautiful, shiny tempered glass. This is a no-fail project. There's no right or wrong in this. My job is to teach you the technique, and I want each of you to create your own mosaic art and make this individually your own. So there's no right or wrong way to do it, but I'm going to share the technique with you. If you're new to mosaic art, you're going to love this project because you don't have to have any experience at all, and you'll still create something beautiful and fabulous. If you're an experienced mosaic artist, I think you'll enjoy learning this new technique because you can combine it with your other mosaic art. It combines well working with other art glasses, glass on glass, or different substrates. I think you'll enjoy learning how to combine this into your mosaic art. I'm going to be teaching you, giving you a lot of information. If you're an experienced mosaic artist and you're taking this class online at home, you can fast forward if you know all this stuff. But for the folks that are new to mosaic art, I think it's important that you learn all the terms and you learn for kind of the basics. So before we get started actually creating our art, I want to introduce you to all of our workshop students. This is what makes it so fun, that we're actually creating, and you can see how everyone interprets what I teach and see their individual creativity.
My name's Amanda, and I have taken a couple of Nancy's workshops. I've done a wine bottle mosaic, and I've done a mandala mosaic, and I've done a frame mosaic. But I've never done any mixed media mosaic, so this is new for me.
My name is Sarah, and I've taken Nancy's classes for probably 2 years now. I think I've taken maybe 6 classes from the beginner level to ones that are a little bit more complex. A few of the framing classes, a glass cutting class, glass on glass class, and this is my first mixed media class as well.
Hello, my name is Chris. I've taken classes from Nancy for probably close to 5 years now, and I've had an opportunity to do 3 of these mixed media and tempered glass projects. And I have to tell you, each time you do one, you learn something from the last one that you did, and they certainly look different as you go along and use and try different medias. So please have fun with it. It really is a joy, and you'll be proud of the project that you do with this.
Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm the novice here in the class. I don't have any experience with mosaic. I'm familiar with tile, that's in my professional background, but I've never made anything myself. So you can look to me if you don't have any experience and see what happens. But seeing as this is a no-fail project, I have high hopes.
So I'm going to teach you how to use tempered glass. I'm going to teach you how to use no days heat set adhesive. You'll learn how to create your mixed media substrate, and you'll also learn the proper way to grout glass mosaic and how to tint and color your grouts. So let's get started.